Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be learning about a particular function called Coalesce. Coalesce is a function that particularly works on eliminating blanks. In this particular video, we're working with a data set that contains patient information in a dental clinic. And we were looking particularly at the patient's last activity. In this table, their last activities are usually discharged, but if they've not been discharged, that means they're going through appointments. And if they've not had any appointment, that means they're still on referral date waiting for appointments. So let's go ahead and create a particular column that we're going to work with to draw out patients' last activities. So first, the next thing we draw out is Coalesce, and after the brackets we list out the different values. They could be dates, they could be words, they could be numbers, depending on what exactly you're drawing out. So we draw out the different dates we're working with right now because we want to know the last activities of the patients. So let's do this. After including all of these values that you wish to include in this particular column, and there is no other column you wish to include, you can put it as blank or include a particular value to cover it up. This particularly means if after including all the values and there's still blank spaces remaining, you can literally leave it as blank by including blank at the end, or you cover it up with a particular value. And in this case, if it still remains as blank, it means the patient hasn't had any activity at all. So guys, if this video has given you value, smash that like button, and if you still want to follow up on more videos, subscribe and stay updated to so many more videos to come your way. Catch you in the next video. Bye.